Welcome back, everybody, to Wake Up Charlotte Weekend. It is the last Sunday of the month, but you know what that means. It's Science Sunday, everybody.
Yay, I'm so excited for this.
I'm excited that you're here.
What are we making?
So we're making rain cloud in a cup, and I'm calling it a cup because I don't use a jar. I mentioned this to you in the break, but I do this in school talks a lot, and I feel like it's just easier because I can reuse the cup, I can wash it and all that jazz. It's just easier to, carry. Make sure I don't break it either.
Yeah, why not?
Little caution, right, kids? Do this with parental supervision. Don't drink anything really quick before we start. So the things that you would need was essentially multiple cups. I like to have 2 for the actual rain clouds themselves. This is one I already put shaving cream in, and this is a one Meg's gonna do. Also a cup for your rain. You're also going to need some kind of shaving cream. Hashtag not an ad. I just got the value size when I went to the grocery store, and some blue food coloring. You can use any color you'd like. I use blue just because, but if I ran out of blue, I could use red, and it's not a problem.
Cool.
So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your cup, Meg.
Okay.
And you're going to fill it up. I normally do about half of a cup to or 3/4 worth of water, only because you don't want your cloud to kind of overflow. Then the next thing you're going to do, take the water, mix in the blue food coloring for your rain. Okay. And now I want you to make the cloud. That's
okay. So I'm making the cloud first.
Yeah. So you do your water, your food coloring, and your water to make rain. No.
Nice.
This is what you're making. So you make your water first.
Okay.
Then your rain.
Okay, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
It's okay. We got all of this over on WCNC.com.
Then I'm filling this up.
Yes. You're going to fill it up. So it's about to the tip. Okay. Like the edge of the thing, right? Okay, you can see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did we just do? What we did was we made a cloud in a jar, but now we're going to look at the rain impact, so what normally happens. Okay. So Meg's looks amazing. I think just because I've done this a few times, mine looks slightly
really
better.
good,
so we're going to do it. So I'm going to show you guys for a second what this is. So the water in the cup represents the atmosphere, so where we live. The shaving cream, of course, is representing the cloud. And then your food coloring is representing the rain. So what happens is, as it rains, like it is this morning, as our atmosphere becomes more and more humid, you start to get all that moisture saturating the cloud. Right. So you get a little bit of moisture, things aren't too bad. You get a little bit more moisture, things aren't too bad. But you get a lot of moisture, and then look what happens. Essentially, the rain is saturating our cloud and making it too heavy to where it no longer can hold on to all of that moisture. And so what happens is it rains.
It rains.
It rains. It's a really simple science experiment that kids can do to kind of, add in that love for science and kind of what makes sense. I also think too, I found that with school talks that I do, some younger kids especially who are kind of scared, right, when it's raining and thundering, they appreciate things like that because once they kind of feel like it's explained to them, they see it a little bit in a little different view. So hopefully you guys are able to maybe get out today, this weekend, maybe over Christmas break, and you can make your own rain cloud in a cup or a jar. The whole entire experiment and more information is over on our website, WCNC.com.